Hello friends, these are hand painted dinner sets of porcelain painting, and those interested can order, buy and learn these artworks. And there are many professional art courses which you can learn online, offline. For more information on art, do click the link of my website in about in my channel. I teach freehand painting, oils, acrylic, tanjo, 3D murals, 3D flowers, oragata flowers, types of roses, chrysanthemums, birds, faces and many more. And these type of porcelain artworks also you can learn. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art techniques, tutorials, style, fashion. Keep watching. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.